Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 9th March 2026, Nifty Index opened on a gap down note and traded within a narrow range of 100 points for most part of the session as momentum remained largely missing. However, bears became active in the final hour, dragging the index sharply lower by 150 points towards 24,420 marks. On the daily chart, Nifty formed a bearish candle and the prevailing sell-on-pound stance suggests that bears currently hold the upper hand. On the weekly frame, the index has formed a bearish candle with a long upper shadow indicating selling pressure at higher levels. India VIX was up by 11.3% to 19.9 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.83. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,000 to 25,000, while immediate range could be in between 24,200 to 24,700 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 5,966 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 6,685 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 13%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till Nifty holds below 24,600, weakness could be seen towards 24,300 and 24,100, while hurdles have shifted lower to 24,800 zones. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 58,000, weakness could be seen towards 57,500, while upside hurdle can be seen at 58,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in BDL, BEL, United Spirits, Cummins, Hindalco, Nalco and Siemens, while some weakness could be seen in Eternal, L&T, Indigo, LTF and CDSL. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.